Hi, myself JP Suchitra from Dr. MGR Educational Research University. Now I am going to explain half adder and full adder. Adders are important not only in the computer but also in many types of digital system in which the numeric data are processed. Types of adder: half adder and full adder. Half adder. The half adder accepts two binary digits on its input and produce two binary digit outputs, a sum bit and a carry bit. The half adder is an example of a simple functional digital circuit built from two logic gates. The half adder adds to 1-bit binary numbers. The output is the sum of the two bits and carry. This is the half adder block diagram. Note that how the same two inputs are directed to two different gates, the inputs to the XOR gate and also the inputs to the AND gate. The input wires to the XOR gate are tied to the input wires of the AND gate. Thus, when voltage is applied to the A input of the XOR gate, the A input to the AND gate receive the same voltage. This is half adder logical diagram. Here you have one XOR gate and then one AND gate. So full adder. The full adder accepts two input bits and an input carry and generates a sum output and an output carry. The full adder circuit adds these three 1-bit binary numbers, that is Cin, A and B, and output two 1-bit binary numbers, sum and a carry out. The full adder is usually a component in a cascaded of adders which add 8, 16, 32, etc. for the binary numbers. Full adder. This is a full adder block diagram. This is half adder truth table. Here you have two inputs. Four possible combination we have. One is 0 0. For 0, if we apply 0 0 as the input, the sum is also 0, carry out also 0. The same way, if we apply 0 1, the sum is 1, there is no carry, so the carry out is 0. Likewise, if we apply 1 0, the sum is 1, carry also 0. Then if we apply 1 1, the sum is 0, carry is 1. So similarly, this is a full adder truth table. What is the difference between half adder and a full adder circuit? The main difference between half adder and a full adder is that a full adder has 3 inputs and 2 outputs. The first 2 inputs are A and B and the third input is an input carry designated as Cin. When a full adder logic is designed, we will be able to string 8 of them together to create a wider adder and cascade the carry bit from one adder to the next. The output carry is designated as C out and the normal output is designated as S. Thank you.